It's not true, I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Marie, and today I'm going to get something to eat. I think I might go to, because I'm always going to, me and my friend David, we always going to Applebee's all the time. We always going to go to Corral's all the time. But I guess today we probably gonna go to Fridays today. And yeah, might go to Fridays. Yeah, so yeah, might go to Fridays and get us something to eat. Probably gonna sit down for like an hour. We want to be back at the house like no more than like 7:30 because we got the 2 dogs at home. And y'all know we could not bring him because we went to the blood place today. He's inside the blood place today right now getting some plasma done. But I stayed in the car because, you know, I wasn't getting no plasma done today. So it wasn't no point of me going in. My lips stay fucking chopped. I need some chopstick, y'all. Y'all can see that my scalp is getting better. Y'all see that starting to heal up. But yeah, so that's what is going on today. First, matter of fact, I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and get some sponges so I can have something to wash the dishes with tonight. And also I got my sheet and cover in the washer, so I'm gonna, when I go home, I'm gonna make sure I take it out and put them in the dryer. And then I'm gonna put my other cover that's in the room, I'm gonna put those in the washer so those can wash. So yeah, so you guys just stay tuned. I don't really know how long this video gonna be. It's probably gonna be long, but not that long, because I don't want to try to make this vlog that long. Then it already have to. But it might not be that long. This might not be that long. I don't know. It just depends. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Period. Look at that man in the back. Hell no. Waste of food. Now I gotta get up and go. Boo. Now I gotta go get up and get another chicken because my chicken fell on the ground. The chicken right there just fell on the ground. So now I gotta get up and go get another chicken. That dude tried to talk to me. So I said, hey, how you doing? I said, I'm doing okay. What's your name? I said, I'm not trying to give you my name, sir. I'm just trying to get my food. I'm trying to fix my food. I'm not trying to talk to nobody.
I think they're gonna come and see me, dude.
I mean, you was being true, telling the truth. Damn, see that woman on the back of that car? Man, we gotta go to that book signing. I know it's gonna be worth it now.
Give me the money, give me the money, dude. Give me the money.
Right. Hey Marie, where your book signing event gonna be at, girl? Where?
Yeah, I'm about to go.
Right. I cannot believe. As soon as I break my chicken, get ready to eat into it, then it fell. I was like, anytime you trying to eat your food and your food falls, somebody watching you. And that's how you get clumsy. You eating your food and then all of a sudden and it fails on the fall on the ground. That's because somebody watching you. I was walking down here to get my cornbread. So a white girl, she looked like she was around my age. She was staring at me the whole time, like she knew me from somewhere, probably from TikTok. You know what I'm trying to say? So okay, guys, we out of the go to Corral's. Me and my friend David, we out to go to Corral's. Now we finna go home. Where the car at, boo boo? Oh, right there. Why don't tell me that car almost look like yours? I was like, wait a minute, we going to the wrong car? Like, what's going on? I said, I know we ain't going to the wrong car. Oh, it's not open yet. And now on the hood. Oh, they're gonna Platinum Fitness right there in Stark Bridge. You see that, boo boo? Platinum Fitness right there. Man, y'all, on 4, we about to head home, and right, boo boo?
Yep.
And our birthday.
We're about to head home.
Our birthday is in what, 4 weeks? You know, our birthday's
Someone's laughing at me.
Huh?
Someone just laughed at me.
Our birthday's in 4 weeks, right, boo boo? Yep.
Same day, same place, same time, same hour.
We 30 years apart. Oh, it's time for you to put that car on. That's a little hot. It's time for you to put that car on now. Okay, y'all, we'll see you when we get back.
When? Old Mickey's. I tell you, that's a picture and a half right there, buddy.
Look, boo boo.
Here, one there, one
Look at my feet. Hey.
A little bit too comfortable.
It's about four something million right now.
Huh?
It's about 4 something million right now. It was 3 something million. I think it's like 4 something now.
Okay.
About 4 million or something, I think. Oh, 4.2 million.
4.2 million.
I know what you about to say, girl. Do you know how much 4.2 million people is?
I love people set their look at their phone when the light green.
Right.
What the fuck?
And the light still. Yeah, it's real nice. Look at that.
Yeah, really good.
Look at that. Ooh, look how nice that is. Yeah, y'all doing a good job right now. Y'all doing a good job, sir. So I'm literally going inside the hair store today. Yo, I literally have to talk loud as hell because they got the music playing and I'm not trying to get fucking copyright. So I'll see y'all later.